माजा भगाया गया। अभी हमको डिजिटल पे पैसा मिलता है।
The video you have seen just now have made me to make a full-length video on the rise of UPI in India. India is leading the world in digital transactions, revolutionizing the way money moves. The Unified Payment Service (UPI) has become a global benchmark. But who really controls it, and how does it function, and how does it perform when we compare to global trends? With foreign leaders recently making UPI transactions in India, let's debate this in the bigger picture today. Welcome to the episode 5, the rise of UPI and digital transactions in India. Let's now know about what is UPI at its core. If there is no concept of UPI, to transfer money from your bank account to somebody else, you must visit the local branch, fill a form to do so, whether it might be IMPS or NEFT. UPI is developed by National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, the real payment system that allows money transfers between bank accounts without any delay. Unlike traditional banking, UPI is interoperable among the banks. It also doesn't require any lengthy account details to transfer money. Just a simple UPI ID or a phone number is more than enough to transfer money. NPCI is regulated by Reserve Bank of India (RBI) and operates under supervision of Ministry of Finance. This ensures UPI remains the public entity, unlike China, where they have given the UPI's concept into the private tech companies' hands. A user holding a bank account at any bank which is registered in India should create an account with either private sector FinTech companies or the bank companies where they provide an interface for UPI. Example, Phonepay, Google Pay, etc. The transactions are authorized using a secure PIN which happens in the government's portal. A biometric verification or a device authentication are few of the added layer securities for UPI transactions. The transactions through UPI are immediately processed through NPCI network, ensuring zero lag payment. Unlike credit cards, where usually when we swipe a credit card, there will be a merchant fees where merchant have to pay to the banks. UPI transactions doesn't charge any merchant fees as of now, making it more cost effective and promoting it to masses. UPI has disrupted the complete traditional banking, making it frictionless. But when we compare to the global trends, where does it stand? While India is pioneering in UPI, there are many more implementations happening in other countries. Let's begin with the country United States of America. It relies mainly on the card networks like Visa or MasterCard or Amex and apps like PayPal, Venmo for peer-to-peer transactions. Now let's continue to China, what they are doing now. They follow the similar process to UPI where they pay through QR code, through WeChat Pay or Alipay, but these UPI transactions are in the hands of tech companies like Tencent and Alibaba. In Europe, they use SEPA, where it follows the similar process to the UPI, but it lacks mobile user-friendly interfaces. There is one more very good example, which is Brazil. They have launched Pix, which is similar to UPI in India. It has seen a boom in masses in Brazil. Unlike other countries, UPI here in India is very much reliable, scalable and accessible because it is backed by government here. In recent months, when world leaders have visited India, they have tried using the UPI. Leaders like France, UAE, Singapore are interested in taking UPI's technology to their countries. India is ready to expand this particular network to all over the world. Singapore came ahead and launched the UPI linkage in 2023, allows seamless cross-border transactions. These endorsements raise a hope, can UPI become a global standard? UPI is not just a technology, it is an economic game changer. The first advantage of having UPI in India is financial inclusion. Millions millions of unbanked people have created the bank accounts and now have access to the digital services of the banks. Boost to small businesses. Street vendors and small merchants now accept UPI payments without expensive POS machines where they have to pay percentage of the transaction as a fee to the banks. Cashless economy. UPI have paved a way for us to reach cashless economy, which will significantly reduce the count of black money rotating in the market. Job creation. FinTech market have exploded after introduction of UPI into the market, creating thousands of new jobs. In 2023 alone, UPI has surpassed $2 trillion worth of transactions, surpassing the combined digital transactions of US and China. This unparalleled growth raises us a new question that whether India is right now ready for a fully digital economy. Let's now discuss about the future expansion and probable reach to the global stage of UPI. As UPI grows, the government of India have reached new heights in the global stage, expanding its reach beyond India. NPCI have signed agreements with many other countries, making sureties for implementing UPI concept in their country. Some countries which have signed to integrate UPI services are UAE, France, Singapore, Nepal, etc. Indian travelers can now use UPI at an international platform when they want to pay in some other country without any fear of the conversion rates. UPI and RuPay credit card linkage have brought this to the next level, where you can directly pay from your credit card to the merchant using your third-party service, whether Phonepay or Google Pay or any other kind of an application. The potential rival to UPI is either decentralized finance DeFi, as discussed in the previous video, or a cryptocurrency. These potential rivalries leads to few questions. Can Bitcoin and Ethereum replace this UPI network? Will India's CBDC, central bank digital currency, compete with UPI? The central bank digital currency is something which we are going to discuss in the upcoming video. The major question we have to discuss here is whether if India's UPI start to lead the global market, the current leaders of the global economic market like USA and China will be keeping quiet. No, they will start to implement something related like UPI. They will be interested taking money into their economic system. These uncertainties make the UPI's battlefield open to many other competitors. UPI has redefined how Indian handles money, but as it expands globally, new challenges emerge. Competition from private tech companies, cryptocurrency, or CBDC itself. Can UPI become a global standard for payments? This is the episode for today. The rise of UPIs in Indian economy. Continue the debate whether UPI can become a global standard or not in the comment section below. I'll be answering to your comments, so do comment below this video. If you haven't liked this video yet, definitely do that. Your subscription will be appreciated. Thank you for watching the episode 5 in the bigger picture. Watch the remaining episodes also, and they are very much informative. Thanks again. Rohit Sharma signing off until next video.